Hello and welcome, I'm Chris and this is the hair tutorial channel, and on this video I'm going to be looking at the difference between air touch balayage and weaved balayage. So I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison so that you can see which one is quicker and the difference between the two. And if you want more weekly tutorials on cutting, colouring and hair up, then why not like, subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss anything. And every time someone subscribes, my dog gets a treat. And he's hungry. Okay, so we're going to start with the side and we're going to do the air dry on this side. So I'm going to be doing back diagonal sections to the middle, across the top, as this is the quickest way to do it. Now, air touch is very simple, really. The only difficult part I found about it is it blows the foils everywhere. So once you get your head around that, it's not too difficult. So we're going to be taking our section, we're going to be putting a couple of strokes of back combing into our section. And then we're going to be using our dryer on cold and blowing down and letting the hair come out until we sort of visually are happy with it. You know, the real tip I can give you when you're doing this is just don't pinch too hard on the side like that. If you can, that you actually maybe use the flat of your fingers, okay, and this gives you a more even result. Okay, now we're just going to continue taking back diagonal about 1/2 inch thick and work our way through the head. Okay, so worked my way from the front all the way around to parting at the back, and now I'm going to do on this side of the head back diagonal across the top as well. I'm then going to let that process, take it out, and then I'm going to do the other side so they have exactly the same amount of processing time and one doesn't give a brighter result because of that. Back diagonal section about 1/2 inch. I'm going to give that a back comb. So we've done the top and we've done the middle. I've left the underneath and I'm going to do the same on the other side, but I'm going to give this about 40 minutes to process. And like I said, once you get used to preloading your board and also having it in a position where the dryer doesn't blow everything out of the way, it's actually quite a quick process. So we'll see how it looks compared to the other side. Okay, so on this side, exactly the same back diagonal sectioning. We're going to back comb at the roots, but this time I'm simply going to weave the highlights rather than air dry the highlights. Then I'll dry it off and we'll do a side-by-side comparison of which one looks better. Now don't forget, if you're liking this video, to like, subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. So again, we've got our section, about 1/2 inch, going to put a back combing in there. And then this time we're just going to weave. Again, the weave can be thick, fine, whatever you want, but I'm trying to do my normal weave to see if for me it will make a difference on the result. Okay, so just like the AirTouch side, I'm going to leave this now for 40-45 minutes, take it out so we can do a comparison. Time-wise, there wasn't a lot in it. The AirTouch was slightly quicker, but not so much quicker that I would go, oh wow, that's it, I'm moving over to AirTouch. It was just fractionally quicker. It was very nice to do the AirTouch as a change. So let's see the results and see if there's a massive difference. Okay, so this side we have our AirTouch, and then on this side we have our weaved highlights. So maybe a bit difficult to tell on the camera. I'll try and get some more closer ups, but there is a very subtle difference between the two. So let me know in the comments below whether you prefer the AirTouch or the weaved. And the video coming up next is on highlighting, so why not check that one out as well.